What's up, world? It's your boy Wesley.com. Okay, the reason why I got this egg in my possession is I'm about to attempt to eat it raw for the very first time. I heard so much about the nutritional value, the benefits of eating raw eggs. I normally eat them scrambled, with seasoning, salt, pepper, whatnot, with some nice pancakes and all that. But went to make me some scrambled eggs. Realized I only had one left. So it's kind of indecisive what I want to do. Then something came to mind. How about I try this eating it raw for the first time? Don't know how it's gonna taste. Don't know how I'm gonna feel after I eat it. Not sure if I should break it, then put some seasoning salt, or what the hell. Don't know. But talking too much, let me just show you how I go down. Share my experience with you. About to crack it. I don't know if I just throw it in my mouth or put it in this bowl I got or what. Thug life, baby. Hold on, I gotta put it down. Hold on. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it in this bowl. Put it in the bowl. Glad I washed my hands. I gotta take some shell out before I choke on shell. Alright. Here you go. I'm acting all scary like it's finna hurt, but man, I just anticipate this gonna be very nasty. Got my creatine drink to flush it down with. That's a chaser. Alright, here it goes. Y'all see it? Natural reaction, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it. Team Fitness. QuadWesley.com. What's up to all my followers? This is how you do it. Thug life. R2 poop. R.I.P. Tupac. You know what I'm saying? Man, look, I'm procrastinating. Okay, let me get serious. This ain't nothing. I almost gagged, but that is 6 good grams of protein. But yeah, that was not too tasty. But you witness the first time me eating a raw egg. But I don't think I'll be doing that shit again.